Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, if this is your very first time watching any of my videos, I just want to say welcome. I am very thrilled that you're here. If you are not aware, I am Michelle. I usually just talk about my journey, right? My personal experience as a sign-in agent. Today I wanted to share something that I did. I don't really know how I did it. I I laugh after, I got it home and realized, wait a minute, you can't use this. So, what did I do? All right. So, I went to Staples and I went shopping. So, I usually buy if I really want to stock up on something, or if they're having a sale, I would definitely go to Staples and I would buy my paper. And sometimes I'll re-up on my pens there. So I went to Staples last week and I was like, I need some letter paper. Not realizing that I already had a case in the garage, but nonetheless, it's always good to stock up on your supplies. So I went ahead and it's like, I'm gonna go get some paper, maybe like a couple cases. So went to Staples. It was crowded. Parents are school shopping and everybody's buying paper. So the paper that I wanted, they didn't have any more in the store, so I would have had to order it. So I was like, okay, I'll just get this other paper, right? I was not thinking at the time. So, it was a color paper, and I meant to actually take a picture of it before I took it back to the store. So me not thinking, right? It's printer paper. I can use printer paper. It was for, the color printing, I guess, right? So it's a more vivid, brighter white. So you know that as a notary or signing agent, we generally print on 92. If you don't know what I'm talking about, for an example, this is the Staples paper. And here it says the 92 as far as the brightness. So this is my legal paper, and all my legal paper that I have is 92. Well, my smart self went in and bought 2 cases of 96. Not thinking, right? I was like, yeah, if everything is all in letter size paper, yeah, I can print on the brighter paper because, it's all letter size. But if they're legal papers that also have to be printed, which 99.5% of my sign-ins are mixed, then it's not going to look right if you have half of your paper one color and then the other in a brighter color. So the lesson today is when you're buying supplies, make sure that your legal size paper and your letter size paper, the number of the brightness matches. So for me, I'm using 92, yes. And then my letter paper now says 92. And I got these for Staples, and today, August the 15th, 2021, Staples had the letter paper buy 2, get 1 free. So I went ahead and purchased that because I had credits from my reward, so it brought it down. So yeah, it was nice to get 3 cases of paper. I'm still at, it was pretty much at $37, I think, a piece still for each, case. But, when it says buy 2, get 1 free, and it just sounds so good. But it does save me a couple dollars, so I'll take it. It's not like it's not going to get used, and I just went ahead and purchased it on my store credit card, my business credit card, because of course I'm building my business credit. And then in about 2 weeks, I'll go ahead and pay off that credit card from my business account. So anyway, make sure your paper matches. You do not want to send back half bright and half dark you know, half not light. You don't want to send half 92 bright and half 96 bright. The colors need to match, okay? So don't do what I did. Don't go and say, oh, okay, this paper's on sale. Let me go ahead and get this. And it doesn't match your legal paper. So anyway, lesson learned. Hope you learned too, okay? There is a difference in the 96 versus the 92. So get 92 is standard and it'll match your legal paper. So, all right, guys, have a great day. Subscribe, like, share. Haven't been on in a while, so I miss you guys. Hope you have a great day, all right? Thanks.